Is your CPAP machine making an unusual gurgling noise? This common issue, known as Rainout, can disrupt your sleep and therapy. It's easy to fix. The gurgling sound happens when excess moisture builds up in your tubing, causing water to collect and create that annoying noise. But why does this happen? A big reason is temperature difference. If your bedroom is colder than the air in your CPAP, condensation forms inside the tubing. Another culprit? High humidity settings. More moisture in the air means more chances of water buildup. And lastly, hose positioning matters. If your tubing dips too low, water pools instead of draining back to the humidifier. So how do you stop the gurgling? Try these simple fixes. First, lower your humidifier setting to reduce excess moisture. Use a heated CPAP hose to keep the air warm and prevent condensation. Reposition your tubing with a hose hanger to keep water from pooling. And finally, place your CPAP machine lower than your bed so water drains back instead of reaching your mask. We trust this video answered your questions. Remember, you can always contact one of the healthcare professionals in the sleep department at Enticare if you have any questions.